Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to repost on Threads. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Threads application on your device. Okay, and then scroll down until you see a post that you think is something that you want to repost. So just have to click on this two arrows going in circle. Okay, from the post and then click on repost. So now to check the posted post, we just have to go to our profile by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner of our screen and then refresh it, and then be able to see the post that you just reposted. Okay, now you can also put a caption of that specific post. You just have to click on it. So right after that, you just have to click on post. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can repost on Threads. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.